Hello guys, this is just a quick video to talk about the global chip shortage and how it might possibly be seriously affecting vehicle sales. So right here we are at the Nissan dealership. You can see they still have a full lineup of trucks here, the Titan, and then you have the Armada. So here they don't seem to have been really affected, but when we move over to where you have the Toyota, Honda, Ram, Ford, GE vehicles, then you can actually see the effect of the shortage. So I'll just take a quick right turn here. We get into the Honda dealership. On my left, you can see the new 2021 CRVs. The Accord and Civics seem to have taken the greatest hits, and also the Insight. But right now, you can still see they have quite a full lineup of Honda CRVs. But this is where you would normally see the Civic and Accord full in this little lot here. But then you can see there's just that one Accord and one Civic over there. So you can see all the empty parking slots, even on the main road. So that global chip shortage is real. As you guys can see, the parking lot is completely about almost, I would say, half empty. There is an Accord, and that's it. For the Toyotas, it's really bad. As you can see, normally all these parking lots will be full, and here you have the used vehicles, the trade-ins. So I don't know how long it's gonna take, but it will be a while before the global supply chain gets back to normal. And then it also takes a while for manufacturers to get their crews back online. All right, that's for Honda. Let's cross over and head to the Toyota dealership. Earlier I drove by and I couldn't find a single Tacoma or Sequoia or Land Cruiser. Usually they would have a couple of Land Cruisers and a line of Tacomas right on this empty spot right here in front of the camera. But as you can see, it's totally empty. So if you're in the market for a new vehicle, good luck, especially with the popular models. The crossovers, the Highlanders especially, and the CRVs still seem to be in ample supply. But as you can see, where they usually have the Tacomas, they're all gone. The Sequoias are all gone. Land Cruiser completely gone. What we mostly have are a few RAV4s and then the Highlanders. Camry, Corolla, those are all gone. We have just a few scant vehicles here. A couple of Prii. Yeah, it's pretty bad, guys. I don't know what exactly is going on, how the situation is with the manufacturers. So normally on these first two rows you would have brand new vehicles, but now it's so bad they're putting up some of the used vehicles in center stage, and that says a lot. So mostly used vehicles now, as you can see. FJ Cruiser, Yukon, and there is a unicorn right there, a Tesla Model 3. You don't find many of these out here. and I think they're asking about $45,000 or $46,000 for that one. So yeah, the parking lot is pretty empty. Over here in front of me is where you would normally find the trucks. The whole lane is completely empty. So that shortage is real. So trucks would line up completely all the way to where you have that wall, and all around you would have the Ram full-size trucks, the heavy-duty trucks. They're all gone. Over here you would have the Jeep Wranglers, also empty. Those are mostly used vehicles over there on the right, certified pre-owned. So I don't know how you guys are dealing with this. If you're in the market for a new vehicle, let me know what your thoughts are, how good or bad you have it in your area, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.